Hey family, welcome back. If it's your first time, I'm Hope. Thanks for coming. I was so excited. I'm still excited. I still love my dust collector. There's the wattages right there, 110, 220, 50, 60 hertz. I looked around and compared the watts and stuff like that, prices, the normal. I like this one. You'll see the plug has a rubber covering on it, so dust isn't right there down there accumulating. The bottom of it is there's holes all on the side, all on the bottom, so it has a lot of airflow. So the suction and the airflow is really nice. Later in the video, I grabbed it. I wasn't sure, trying to figure out how to kind of demonstrate the suction and stuff. So I just got a piece of a paper towel and kind of show you the suction, and you'll see when I put up a video with me actually doing it and stuff how good I love it, and it helps out so much more. You can tell with dusting and cleaning it's not getting as dirty. And look at the filter, it's so sturdy, and the gaps are really small, so it collects really good, and the glue right there is really thick. And so it even tells you in the directions just to use a blow dryer and blow dry the filter out, and then you can stick it back in. So the filter is definitely reusable. And even around the filter, they put styrofoam. So the fit is really tight. So there's no mess and stuff. There's not extra, seeing the little gap or something. When I pull the filter out, I don't have like extra in there around the fan or anything like that. Look all the air holes. I really like it. I was really happy with my decision to purchase this and look around and just look at reviews and everything. I knew what I was looking for. I wanted the removable filter and stuff like that, and this had everything, and it works great, and it's definitely necessary. For me it is. I have skin allergies, so me getting even the file dust and stuff like that, not just the monomer, it helped out a lot. See how tight it fits with the foam on the sides? It fits really. The first time I used it, I did like my table's black, and then I put something black, like a black placemat also on there, and there was like no dust at all. I believe I recorded it and I got it. I can put the clip up. This is just the instructions, the power again. I stop it so you can look at it if you want to. And then on the back, you'll see, like I said, it even says you can reuse the filter, blow it out with a blow dryer. And I'm telling you, I don't have a blow dryer, so I just beat it against the trash can, and it's not even look like it's been worn out yet. And this was back in December I purchased it, so I've used it quite a bit and banged it on the side of the trash can quite a bit. I'll plug it in and show you guys how it works with the paper towel and stuff. It's coming to the end. Thank you guys for coming, and see, I'm just blowing it around. I had no clue how to show you how good it worked. I was pretty stoked. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.